Hello everyone, I'm Zeke. Welcome to my page. I just finished 3 rounds of boxing session with Coach Aande over here. He's over there chilling. He doesn't like the camera, so we're gonna put him on the spot. But anyways though, I've been training with him for the past probably 2 months. It's been a dream come true. I've been wanting to train boxing for a long time, but I was waiting to find the right coach that will be able to kind of show me the right movement, the right technique, and he's been exceptional. He's been very humbling, just training with him. Also, it's a perfect time for me to kind of do some wintertime shred down because I feel like I've not been up on my cardio game, so it's been very fun to kind of try something new at the gym. I've been training for almost a decade now, so sometimes the routine just get like the same, monotonous and kind of boring, but it's been fun like learning all these boxing movements, but it's different. It's so much fun. Oh. Two. But at the same time, very technical. I was able to pick some of the movement up easier because of my background with playing soccer, but my hands, my cardio, my pace, just strengthening my wrist. Yeah, it's been just a beautiful journey. So I'm gonna be sharing more vlogs like this one, just sharing my journey. Like I said, I'm still learning. I'm nowhere near being a pro. I'm still a rookie, so I'm just trying to soak in as much as I'm learning from my coach and able to kind of share with you guys. But this is an example of one of our routines. We started with 2-mile run. We did 10 minutes on the arc trainer. Then we've been doing all the workout you guys been seeing in this video. So I'm going to be updating you guys at some point to kind of let you guys know how I'm progressing. But I'm just excited to be here. I'm just excited to be learning these moves and just getting in better shape. And the weirdest thing though, from learning boxing, I've actually been the most places that I've been hurting is my wrist and my back, because of just like how much punches you're throwing. Like people don't really talk about that. Like your back gets sore a lot. Same with your lower back. So, anyways, I hope this video is helpful. I want to be updating you guys as I go. Anyways, bless up. I still got one more session to go before I leave. And also, you guys leave a comment below. I'm thinking of creating a boxing video just for like cardio. Will you guys be interested? Leave a comment below for that. Anyways, now let me go finish on my set. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's get it. Subscribe here for more. Boom.